Hi, good morning everyone, and I welcome you one and all for the exclusive webinar from HDFC Securities. My name is Dhiraj Shetty. I'm the service manager for NPS. So today the topic that we'll be covering is how can an individual or a subscriber can invest into NPS, can also avail an additional tax benefit under the NPS system. So as we all know that we're approaching the taxation season, so we all are looking after to save our taxes plus and to enjoy the returns that we get. Now, what does NPS give you, or what NPS is? So I'll just quickly cover the history about NPS and how investing into NPS can give you an additional tax benefit of 50,000 rupees in a financial year over and above the ATC limit. So we all have an ATC limit as individuals, which is the limit is 1,50,000, wherein we have various products under where we can invest and we can save our taxes. We can reduce our taxable income up to a limit of 1,50,000. Now, what NPS is and how NPS is different from all these other products, I'll just quickly give you an insight about NPS. So NPS was introduced on 1st of January 2004 by the government of India. So NPS is a government of India product which we drive. So what does NPS give you, and what is the specialization or uniqueness that NPS offers? So NPS as an product is a retirement investment product which gives tax benefits over and above the ATC limit. Now, NPS, as I told, NPS was introduced on 1st of January 2004 by the government of India. So when it was introduced, it was only for state and central government employees who are employed under the state and central government. They were only allowed to do NPS. Later, the powers and the functions to run NPS was given to PF Idea, which is Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority of India. So what PF Idea did was to introduce or to promote and to give your increase the participation and awareness into NPS. PF Idea brought in an all citizen model. So what happened in an all citizen model was each and every individual aging between 18 to 65 and is an Indian citizen was allowed to do NPS under the individual scheme. So as of now, any Indian citizen who is aging between 18 to 65 is allowed to do an individual NPS. Now, what is the benefit of investing into national pension system? So if I have to give you a brief insight, or if I have to cover the entire NPS portion in 3 sentences, the first is if being an Indian citizen, you invest into NPS under the individual category. As a subscriber of NPS, you get an opportunity to reduce your tax to a limit of 50,000 rupees under section 80 CCD 1B, which is over and above the ATC limit. To simplify it, for example, if you open an individual NPS account and if you contribute or if you invest 50,000 in a financial year, that same 50,000 gets exempted from your taxable income over and above the ATC limit. So this is the uniqueness that NPS offers. Yes, there are several other products right now in the market which gives you tax benefits, but all those tax benefits are covered under the ATC basket. So once your ATC limit of 1,50,000 is exhausted, you don't have any other product or any other investment product in the market which can give you tax benefit. NPS is the only one product which can give you tax benefits over and above the ATC limit. So once your ATC limit of 1,50,000 is covered, you can invest into NPS and you can gain a tax benefit of 50,000 additional over and above the ATC limit. So which basically means you invest into NPS, your taxable income or your taxable salary or income, whatever we may call, can reduce by 50,000 for a financial year. That's the first part. Second part, NPS gives you very attractive returns which are There are several fund managers who take care of the contributions that the subscribers do towards their NPS accounts. From the past 5 years, NPS has been giving you a return of between 10 to 12% year on year. That's another attractive thing about NPS. And the third thing is, you as a subscriber, you can keep on investing into NPS, and simultaneously it builds a corpus for your retirement income. So you keep on investing into NPS and it automatically builds a corpus for your retirement. So basically, once you retire from your jobs or from your businesses, and if you want, once you are done with your working life, you can enjoy your life by the NPS corpus that you've accumulated till now. So that's the benefit of having an NPS account. So the one more good thing that NPS gives you is tax free withdrawals on your maturity. So at maturity or at superannuation age, which is at 60 under the individual NPS scheme, an investor or a subscriber into NPS can has the opportunity to withdraw up to 60% of the total NPS corpus that the subscriber has accumulated. So for example, at retirement, I have opened my NPS account, and at retirement, I have 10 lakhs as my NPS corpus. I have the opportunity to take out 60% at one go. The 60% that a subscriber takes out is absolutely tax free. There would be no taxes that would be charged on the 60% part. The rest 40%, yes, it would be get invested back into the annuity markets, and after the retirement, the subscriber would get pensions on that. So that's another good thing that NPS offers you, is it gives you, so which basically means it's an exempt kind of an investment product. So the investments or the contribution that a subscriber or an individual contributes towards his or her NPS account is tax exempt. The returns that you enjoy under NPS is tax exempt, plus the corpus that you can withdraw at your retirement is absolutely tax exempt. Okay, to revise or to just give you a quick insight, NPS, an individual between 18 to 65 can open an individual NPS account. They can contribute as much as they want to in their own NPS account, and in a financial year, the same individual can gain a tax benefit of up to 50,000 rupees under section 80CCD 1B, which is over and above the ATC limit. Now, okay, so this is what NPS gives you. Now, one more thing that we would want to share is, how can you, and as a subscriber, how can you enroll into NPS? Now, having an HDFC trading demat account, we from HDFC Securities, as a duty of care, we have created a module where our HDFC trading account customers, HDFC Securities trading account customers, have the opportunity to invest or to enroll into NPS from the website itself on a paperless account procedure basis. So which basically means you can open your account completely paperless through your website only. So once you open your account, once you do all the procedures or the required things that would be asked from your end, you will be getting a PRAN number, which is permanent retirement account number, a 12-digit numeric number that you'll be getting in. It's a unique number for each and every individual. You'll be getting it then and there itself on a real-time basis. Now I'll just quickly show you the journey of NPS, how from the website you can open the account and you can avail the tax benefit for this financial year. So once you log into the website, it will this page, the our Empower Portal page would occur. So you just need to click on other products and you can see NPS in the 5th tab. You need to click on NPS. So once you click on NPS, you just need to click on OK, which states that it would take you to another NPS portal or another NPS page. So once you click on NPS and once you click on OK, so this is the page that would occur in front of your screen. So which basically, again, we have made a crisp point to point reasons why a subscriber should choose NPS. What is the benefits that an employee or a subscriber can enjoy. Again, so you can see the reasons, tax benefits, which we already discussed. It is prudently regulated by PF Idea, as I mentioned in the first line. NPS is a government of India product which is regulated by PF Idea. Flexible, so there are various flexible options wherein you can choose your investment options, and you can also change your investment options once in a financial year. It beats inflation. As I said, NPS on an year-on-year basis gives you returns up to which is around 10 to 12% on an year-on-year basis. Second is systematic savings. You can start saving, so there are flexibility in savings. So it is entirely the subscriber's decision to choose how they want to go about their investment into NPS. Like if they want to invest a lump sum amount or an SIP amount, or anyhow in a financial year they want to plan their investments, they can do that. There is no any restriction under NPS. Plus it's a very cost effective investment, retirement investment plan in the market right now. So the fund management cost or the account maintenance cost under NPS is as low as 200 to 250 rupees on a per annum basis. Now again, coming back to the journey, how you can enroll or how you can register into NPS if you have a HDFC trading account. So you need to log into the portal, you need to go on other products, you need to click on NPS, and this is the page that would come in front of you. You can just go through the details that we have under the NPS that we have published in the page. You know, on the left hand side column, there is a tab called registration. You need to click on registration. Again, it would take you to the NPS portal or NPS site where you need to click again. So these are the steps that we have mentioned that you'll have to open your NPS account. You need to be ready with your steps. These are basically the scanned copy of your photograph, your signature, because your photographs and your signatures needs to be uploaded for the e-sign verification. Mobile number and an email ID, because an OTP would be going to your mobile number and your email ID. And if the subscribers who want to enroll have any clarifications or they require any doubts, there is an FAQ tab as well. The subscriber or our customers can click on that tab and they can actually find out and clarify their doubts. Again, if you have any problem, if you get stuck while registering, we have also noted down these steps as well, wherein it would help you to clear your doubts. So once you click on registration, okay, so it's a new registration. If it's a new registration, you need to click on new registration. If you have already registered and if you get stuck, you need to click on complete pending registration. So these details need not be changed. The status of applicant is citizen of India, individual subscriber, the account type would be tier 1, POP name would be HDFC Securities. You need to enter your PAN details. So once you enter your PAN details and once you click on continue, yes. So this is where you can open your NPS account. So if you can see, the first tab is the personal details tab, wherein you need to mention all your personal details like your name, date of birth, gender, place of birth, country of birth, marital status, name to be printed on the PAN card. So you have an option to print either your father's name or your mother's name on the PAN card, your registered mobile number, your email IDs. After that, the basic details like your father's details, your family details, father's name, mother's name, so your identity details, which is your PAN card, obviously, which we have already mentioned. And after all this is done, you need to click on the contact details, wherein you have to mention your contact details. The third tab would be your bank account details. The fourth tab would be the nomination details. Nomination under NPS is very, very important. If the subscriber does not fill any nominee, your account would not be processed further. You'll have to put in a nomination. A maximum of 3 nominees can be included into NPS, and a minimum of 1 is required. Again, once the nomination details are filled, you need to click on documents upload. You need to upload your PAN card, address proof. We already have it. There's no need to click on the address proof because we have your addresses in the trading accounts that you have opened with us. Again, if you want a different address for your NPS, you need to physically submit the address proof to our head office, the payment details. So once you click all this, an acknowledgement ID would be generated. You need the acknowledgement ID would be given to your mobile. You need the mobile number that you have registered with us. So once you punch in that acknowledgement ID, registration details would be submitted. Post that, your PRAN number would be generated. After that, the e-sign registration form needs to be uploaded. So once all of this is done, you'll be getting a PRAN number and your NPS accounts are opened. Now, once your NPS account is open, if a subscriber who already has an NPS account wants to invest more into the NPS account to enjoy the entire tax benefit of 50,000. As I mentioned, you have the option or you have the flexibility of investing either a lump sum, or you can do it like a every month SIP, or as in when it is required. So supposing for a financial year you haven't invested at all into NPS, so how can you invest from the HDFC Securities website? Again, we have a unique link created for all our customers, wherein they just need not log into the NPS portal. By through this link, they can contribute towards their NPS account. I'll just show you how that is done. So this is the website page that we have. So this is the home page of HDFC Securities. You need to click on products. Again, once you click on products, you need to click on NPS. NPS, under the NPS, there are 4 tabs. You need to click on the individual tab. Okay. So once you click on individual, so there are 2 columns that would appear in the page. You need to click on invest more into NPS. products, NPS individual, click on individual, you click on invest more into NPS. So another huge benefit of this link is any NPS customer, irrespective that client or that customer has an NPS account with HDFC Securities or has his or her PRAN generated through HDFC Securities or not, that customer can directly contribute towards their NPS account through the link. So you click on continue. Once you click on continue, it would again take you to the NPS page. These are the details that it would ask: your 12-digit permanent retirement account number, your date of birth, the request of OTP. Should either you can receive it on your mobiles or through your email. You need to enter the captcha and you need to click on verify PRAN. So as soon as you click on verify PRAN, it would take you to the SBI ePay platform, wherein there are 47 banks listed over there. So any bank account that you have out of those 47, you can click on that bank and it would route you to your net banking page from where you can contribute towards your NPS account. As soon as you as a subscriber contribute, on a real-time basis, a statement would get generated which can be downloaded and or can be taken a print from the subscriber, and you can attach it for your tax filing purpose. So this is basically the journey of how you can open an account from an HDFC. If you have an HDFC trading account, from our website, which is completely paperless, on a real-time basis, as a subscriber, you can contribute and you can avail the PRAN as well. Secondly, if you already have an NPS account and if you want to invest more into NPS, so this is the link through which you can directly invest and on a real-time basis can generate a PRAN as well. Hope you have enjoyed this exclusive sessions on the NPS tax saving piece. We'll keep you posted on the further NPS webinars that we'll have. And also I would like to thank each and everyone for taking your time and joining the NPS program, NPS webinar today that we have arranged. Thank you so much. Bye bye and have a great day, everyone.